Hi everyone, how are you? I hope that you all are doing good. So today I'm again here with such exciting haul. I'm here with the Nykaa Pink Box sale, and I have got my box today, and I want to share with you people that what good deal products I have got in this one. So let us just open this and see what are the products inside. So the first product I'm going to share with you people, I'm really excited about this product. I have got this foundation. This is the L'Oreal True Match foundation, and I'm super excited to get this product because L'Oreal is under 40% of sale in this pink box sale, and I got this product at just 479 rupees. And I have got this product in the shade Golden Sand. I have got a lot of knowledge about that, what undertones should be there for choosing a foundation, and not only your color of the skin. So I researched a lot, and I have got this particular shade for me, as I am a cool undertone person in the fair to medium kind of skin color. And so I'm really looking forward to using this product and share with you people, because this is I've heard a lot of things about this. I've seen so many bloggers, so many makeup artists using this product, and it is said to be a full coverage foundation. So that is why I'm really excited to use this product, and I will be sharing my reviews about this. The second product is kind of not a new product for me. I have used this product about twice. Two packages I have used in for the last one and a half year, and this is not an unknown product. This is the retractable eyebrow enhancer by Wet n Wild, and I completely love this pencil for my eyebrows. I have used earlier also. It is super creamy, it is super pigmented, and it really defines your eyes like a dream, I can say. So it is a must purchase product for everyone. Product which I purchased from this Pink Friday Pink Box sale is this aloe vera gel by Wow Skin Science. I have heard a lot about this aloe vera gel because this is their multi-purpose beauty gel for skin as well as hair, and I have got influenced especially by the famous Chetali Chadda, as she has used the aloe vera gel for many of her DIYs for skincare and for hair care. So I'm really looking forward to use this one, and the first thing which I'm going to use this one is to prepare a very good under eye gel, which is again been promoted by Chetali Chadda. So I'm really looking forward to using this one. Coming on to the best part about this pink box sale is the gifts which I have got. Yes, so I have got some free gifts, and the first gift which I have got is this L'Oreal makeup remover. This is the gentle lip and eye makeup remover for waterproof makeup, and they have got give me a full size product with this purchase, and I'm really happy, and I'm looking forward to use, because I have oily skin. So this is a kind of a water based product, so I'm really looking forward to use this to remove my makeup. Second gift which I have got with this purchase is this shampoo, this apple cider vinegar shampoo by Wow Skin Science, and I think this is their sample pack, and I'm really happy to receive it. I have again heard good things about this shampoo, but I did not purchase the full size product because of purchasing some other products, and I'm really happy that I've got the sample product with this purchase, and I will be testing out it, and let us see how this shampoo works for me. My box is empty, and this was a very small purchase of mine, but I really wanted these products for myself, so that is why I splurged into this. And I hope that you people are liking, and you people are loving the content which I am putting, especially my quick hauls, so that you people get an insight about various items which are available for skincare, makeup, all around on various apps. So if you people like this video, give the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you everyone, thank you for being there. Bye bye.